We're going to start off with the Goya Fruta passion fruit pulp, no sugar added, and also the Guanabana. I'm going to do 30 grams of each of these. I did weigh them on a scale. This one is the Goya Fruta Guanabana pulp, no sugar as well added. This is just natural. I'm also going to do sliced peaches, and they're frozen obviously, and frozen pineapple chunks. I'm doing 50 grams of each of those. I'm going to put them all in my little blender cup. And I'm going to show you guys two different ways of making this. This is going to be first the sorbet version. Very simple. You're just going to tap everything down, push it down. Super simple, guys. And then I'm going to take Essentia water and I'm going to fill it up to the top as far as I can go. I use Essentia water because it has electrolytes already in it and it's very, very high in pH, so no extra acidity is needed. And I'm going to go ahead and put 2 packets of stevia natural erythritol packets for my sweetener. And I'm going to put the lid on and go ahead and blend it away. It blends really easily. This is the magic bullet, very easy to use. And bam, that is a nice, easy sorbet. Tastes amazing. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make a smoothie a little more lighter consistency so it's not as thick if you want to drink it opposed to having it with a spoon. I just put this into a bigger cup and add just a little more Essentia water. Just a little bit. And of course, you guys can use whatever water you want. This is how much water. It's literally a tiny bit, probably like a 1/4 cup. And then I blend that away. And that is really it. It's super simple, guys. This is such a good smoothie to have. I do add protein into this to add protein, but you don't have to. If you're not needing any protein, you don't have to add any. I literally add maybe a teaspoon of protein into this. I use the Gene Pro. It's literally like maybe a tablespoon, not even. I think I use about 2 teaspoons. And that's what it is. It's very tasty.